Hi everyone, welcome back to TerraTern. Thank you for being here. Today I know many of you aiming for a high band score in the IELTS writing section and achieving band 8 can seem challenging. However, with the right strategies and consistent effort, it's absolutely within our reach. Today I am going to share some key tips that will help you to score band 8 in a writing, particularly in task 2. First, understand the question type. First and foremost, it is critical to fully understand the question. IELTS writing task 2 comes in a several formats. You might be asked for your opinion to discuss both views or even suggest solution to a problem. You must answer all parts of the question. If you miss a part or go off topic, you will lose point in task response, which is a key criteria for your score. Second, plan before you write. Before you put pen to paper, take about 5 minutes to plan. Many people skip this, but having a clear plan ensures that your essay flow logically. Jot down the main ideas of your introduction, body paragraph, and conclusion. A well-organized essay shows the examiner that your ideas are coherent, and it greatly improves your score in coherence and cohesion. Third, use a clear structure to score band 8. Your essay must have clear and logical structure. This means starting with an introduction that paraphrases the question and present your opposition. Then develop 2 to 3 body paragraphs, each with a single main idea, supported by relevant example and explanation. End with the conclusion that summarizes your points and restates your position. Fourth, expand your vocabulary. Using a wide range of a vocabulary is essential for a band 8. This doesn't mean using overly complex words, but rather using accurate and varied vocabulary that fits your context of your argument. Avoid repeating the same word. Try to use the synonyms where possible. For example, instead of saying important multiple times, you can use words like crucial, vital, or significant. Fifth, use complex sentence structures. An 8 band scorer must show flexibility in sentence structure. This means using a mix of simple, compound, and complex sentences. Complex sentences show the examiner that you can handle more advanced sentence structures, but remember, accuracy is a key. For example, you could say, while many believe that technology has improved our lives, it is also responsible for creating a new challenges such as privacy concerns. 6. Focus on grammar accuracy. Grammar is a major factor in the IELTS writing section. While it is important to use complex structures, they must be grammatically correct. Pay attention to a subject-verb agreement, tenses, articles, and preposition. A small mistakes here and there won't harm you, but consistent error can lower your score significantly. Proofreading at the end of your writing is an excellent way to catch mistakes and improve your score. 7th, ensure cohesion and flow. Your essay should have smooth transition between the ideas. Use linking words like however, therefore, and on the other hand to connect your ideas clearly. Cohesion and coherence are critical, so make sure that each paragraph lead to naturally to the next. However, be careful not to overuse linking word. It is more important that your ideas flow logically. 8th, support your ideas with an example. When presenting your argument, don't just state your opinion, support it with an example. This shows the examiner that your ideas are well thought out and grounded in reality. For instance, if you're talking about environmental pollution, instead of saying pollution is a serious issue, you could say pollution from factories and vehicles has caused serious health problems in urban centers such as Beijing and Delhi. Maintain a formal tone. Remember, the IELTS essay requires a formal academic tone. Avoid slangs, contractions, and overly casual language. You should write as if you are addressing an educating audience. For example, instead of saying kids should learn in school, say children should receive a formal education in schools. 10th, meet the word count. Ensure that you write at least 250 words. Falling short of the word count will result in a penalty, and writing too much can lead unnecessary error or a loss of a focus. A well-structured essay essay of about 270 to 90 words is ideal. Practice time writing so you can manage your time effectively during the test. 11. Practice timed essay. Finally, practice is a key to reaching band 8. Write trim essay regularly to get used to structuring your thoughts quickly and efficient. The more you practice, the more confident and comfortable you will become on the test day. In the end, I would like to say, to score band 8 in IELTS writing, you need to fully understand the question, plan your essay, use varied vocabulary and sentence structures, and ensure accuracy in your grammar. It's about delivering a clear, well-organized and a well-supported argument. Within a formal academic framework, with a diligent practice and careful attention to a detail, you can achieve this goal. Ready to take the next step toward your dream career abroad? Get a free consultation today. Simply fill out the form. Link is in the description and pinned comments below. Don't miss this opportunity to get expert advice tailored just for you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TerraTern for more tips on achieving your goals abroad. See you in the next video.